Hey friends, if you wish to fix the green screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution will be to unplug the peripherals. And why does it matter? Because a lot of peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras, etc. push their own drivers to the system, and this causes interference with the existing drivers of the system, and this interference causes the green screen of death error. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. How would you do that? Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and select Update Drivers once again. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution will be a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay, and this will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan, click on next and let it run through. And lastly, perform a system restore to restore your system to the usual value, to a previous date. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.